Hello and welcome to the video. In this series, I am going to be discussing 30 different habits that a person needs to become successful online, or if they have a home-based business, or a combination of the two. So if you've not done this yet, please hit that subscribe button right there. Hit that little bell icon so you can get those push notifications. Also, smash that like button and comment down below. Tell me where you're from. Tell me what habits that you have to have. So, and if you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you a bonus, a very special bonus that will basically help you out even more. All right? So it'll help you get more money. It'll help you organize your business, everything you need from scratch to run. And it's absolutely free. So stay to the very end of this video, but don't skip ahead to it. Watch this. All right? So let's jump into the video. It's extremely important when you go and have a product and you want to sell it. Doesn't it make sense to learn about the product first? Yeah, it does. In my business of recruiting, and if you don't know who I am and you just got on this video, I am a corporate recruiter. My name is Bob Nevin, and I work in the corrugated packaging industry, meaning that if you receive a brown box from someone or from Amazon, for instance, I might know the fellow that made that box. I've been in this industry for 20 years. I started my business at home in a rented house in the basement that flooded, and I've moved up to owning my own home, and I have my office over a 3-car garage. And I work out of my home. My bedroom's right down the hallway over here. That's my commute, and it's great. So let me go through this next habit that I have, and I use these habits. I do these habits. I'm a habitual type of person, and I stick to this like glue because I know it works for me. However, these may not work for you. This is not a guarantee, but I am showing you something that works for me, and I hope that you can take in some of these habits yourself. So the 8th habit I have is reviewing my products and learning about them. Now, my products are much different than yours because my products are people. And so how I learn about a person is that I interview them. I call them up and I ask them, hey, so tell me about yourself. And they go through the spiel and I learn about them. And then I ask them, hey, what are your accomplishments? Because I know that those are the selling points to get a person's, hiring authorities' interest in that person. So I use that to basically sell the candidate, sell and market it. And I know it works. I've been doing it for 20 years, right? And I've had a very large, very successful track record at selling people, I guess you can say. But placing people with really, really good jobs. And I get guys calling me all the time saying, hey, Bob, you've helped me out with my marriage because we were on the verge of getting a divorce because I couldn't find a job. And I get stuff like that coming back to me all the time. And that's what makes my career very rewarding. So you need to review your products before you sell them. Now, many companies online, like a ClickBank, like a JV Zoo, they have another page that you can go to learn about the product that you're selling before you grab the link and make it yours. Okay, I suggest that you go through that if you do an affiliate product selling. If you go to and do merchandise flipping, like you go to Walmart, like I was mentioning before, and you stuff your car full of junk and that you're going to sell on eBay, learn about those products, okay? And not only learn the price points and profit margins, but also learn exactly what the product is. I mean, obviously, if you're selling something crazy like maybe a tire gauge, right? That's what this is. See the little thing that comes out, you press it up to the tire thingamadoodle. I forget what you call it. I'm not a mechanic, as you can tell, but it'll gauge your tire pressure. Anyways, my point is this. Learn about the product. Obviously, if it's a hammer, you probably don't need to learn about it too much because I think most people know what a hammer is, right? But let's say it's a type of seltzer water. You might, I don't know if you could sell that on eBay or not, but okay. I think everybody knows what this is. So, I mean, if you're selling toilet paper, I don't think you really need a description there. Right? But you know what I mean. Let's say, for instance, it's an online learning product. You want to learn about that product before you sell it. Okay? So you can get the selling points. What makes this type of toilet paper different than others? Right? What makes this hammer different than others? And that's what you really want to find out. What makes it unique? What are its selling points? Learn about the product before you sell it, okay? That is a habit that I have. I have to have it for my business. I have to interview people in order to learn about them so I can share their information with the hiring managers of my clients. And I've been very successful at it. So learn about the products before you market them. That's habit number 8 on my list. And go ahead and subscribe right over here and hit that little bell icon so you can get push notifications every single time I put up a new video. And we'll see you in the next video. Go ahead and go to the next video. That's down below. The link is there. I'll see you. Take care. I've partnered with a fellow by the name of John, and he has some wonderful training for you. Check it out.
Hello, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Benjamin and his friend Benjamin and his friend Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin. This is what's called 10 racks, as they say in the hood. That's $10,000 right here. And this is the amount of money I make every single day online. Now, how to make money online? It's a huge question. It's a huge question. It's the goal of like everybody on the planet. How can you use a computer to make money? How can you use a computer to make money? Because if you can make money on the internet, you can live anywhere you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can work anytime you want to work with your time. Now, every day I wake up and I have a choice to make. I have a lot of choices. I can do anything I want with my time because my business is completely automated. My business allows me to make $10,000 every single day. And I'm actually going to show you in this training that I'm holding this week exactly how you can build your own online business, how you can actually copy and paste a business with that's already proven, like a franchise owner. Don't be an entrepreneur. Do not be an entrepreneur. Be a franchise owner. You can model something that's already proven and you can use it to make lots of money online. Here, let me show you. So here, come over here. So this is my computer over here, and here, let me show you. This is the amount of money I make. This is one of my accounts. And this is the amount of money I make every single day. $3,473 I've made just so far today. That's just so far today. Here, come here, come here. $6,252. Here's what I've made so far this month, okay? Here's what I've made so far this month. Current sales, that's $299,000. It's about $10,000 every single day. Look at what I made last month. Last month, $339,000, $579.49. Now, on this free training that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to be giving this away. All this money here, I'm actually going to be giving it away to you. To those of you that are on this training and who are engaged, I'm going to be giving this away because I want people to understand what it is like, that this is possible. But what you have to do, here, come back here, is you have to understand how the system works. You have to understand, we've been taught to use our hands. We've been taught to work for companies. We've been taught to work for hourly wages or monthly salaries like chattel slaves. We've been conditioned through the education system. Don't ask questions, stay your role, wait your turn. They've conditioned us through a governmentally controlled education system to stick in our place and work a job which will never afford us the ability to make serious money and live a life of freedom. The computer democratizes everything. This is your chance to make money and make a lot of it. This is your chance to make serious cash. Now, if you sign up for this training, when you sign up for this training, I will be giving away, I'll be explaining to you how I am giving away this money, and I will be showing you how you can get it, okay? I'm also going to be showing you how you can make this sort of money every single day without having a prior existing audience, without having to invest lots of your own money, without having to spend a lot of your time, without having to buy products and start an e-commerce or an Amazon FBA or drop shipping or Shopify business, without having to do sales calls every day, and without having to deal with all of the hassles, just using a computer to earn you money. That's all you need. All you need is a laptop or desktop computer to earn you money, and that's what I'm going to show you in this training. So sign up. There should be a link somewhere around this video, and I'm going to show you how to make the Benjamins, how to make friends with some of these guys, make time for money. I'm going to show you the way, and it's really exciting on the other side. So let's get it. I'll see you on the training.